Hi, let's create a beautiful Pinterest posts using a free tool called Canva. Just go to canva.com, make an account over there, or just click on the link in the description and type in over here Pinterest pin, for example, with this size. Over here on the left side, click free to filter only the free ones. And for example, let's choose this template. And now over here you can change the image, the text, and the background. So let's do this to change the text, the big monthly, for example, super sale. Let's change the background, click on the yellow background over here, change to be, for example, blue. A darker, click on a text and change it to be white. And this text down here. Also change this ribbon to be, for example, this. And we can change the image. Just click on the image, go to photos on the left side and type in, for example, photography and find image. Just drag and drop the image on top of this one to replace it. You can use your image, just go to uploads and upload your media over here and drag and drop it over here. And when you are ready, just click over here, publish to Pinterest if you want to connect it to your Pinterest, or download PNG and upload to Pinterest.